guys, I run my video for a 2-winner Bowman Chrome lot. First place gets the choice of the Greg Bird base, the Arenado base. Got a list: Scott, Coombs, Schoolyard, Travis, Scott, Hoff, Coombs with 2, Drew, Scott, Drew, John, Gene, Richard with 2, Paul, Knowles, Paul, Daryl, Notburr, Hoff for the last spot. Official time 8:16. On live. Live time is 8:16. Copy the list. Paste it over. Same list. Off at the bottom, Scott up top. Roll 2 dice at 8:16. 4 or higher. 9 times. Good luck, guys. And there are 20 items in the list. John at the 1. Paul 2. Drew 3. Scott 4. John 5. John 6. Drew 7. Dice roll with a 9. The 8 times. Just his luck. Coombs has got both spots. 8:17. Dice roll with a 9. Be last and final. Winners PM me. I'll get these out for you tomorrow. Your winners are Hoff, number 20 spot. Drew, number 9 spot. Congrats, we've gone 9 times. Dice roll was a 9. It's 8:17. And we are done. Thanks, guys.